Ako lang mahihilo sa'yo.
I'm in the whole fighting Hi guys, I'm eating waffle.
Eating, you don't have waffle yet. I order.
I order waffle.
Where's your waffle? Huh?
Tell me.
Where?
Here, silly.
Boom, chiki, chiki, chiki. Come on, I say something.
Huh?
Where's your waffle now? Huh?
Still making. Still making.
What did you order? What did you?
Chocolate.
It's there na. Say thank you. Salamat po. Oy, tissue, madam. Madam, tissue. Salamat.
Mom, which one is for you? The one
Ah,
or the one?
it's hot. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, you're going to the photo shoot. You eat that later.
Yeah. So, because I'm going to post. I'm very so hungry.
Eat na.
Okay.
But post is only for the passport. For passport.
I said no banana and there's no banana.
Huh?
I said for no banana they say oh cars. No banana. Wait for the shoot.
The photo shoot only do the passport ID.
I mean, which level?
Iyo. Okay?
Pretty naman.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Welcome.
Yan ang ganda. Tara na. Let's go na. Anong oras, be? Ngayon na? Okay. Oh! Thank you. Bye. What did you grab? Ay, give me the 100.
I got slime.
Slime? Okay, come on. Show me what is inside.
Slime. Lollipop slime.
But don't eat that one, ha?
Yeah, it's just slime lollipop.
Come.
It's like
We need to go down now.
Huh?
Go down.
Well, I thought you said you were so hungry.
Oh, I'm so full now.
Bro, you've been eating already?
Without you, yes.
Bruh, you're so silly.
Why?
I thought you never eat yet out me. Oh,
What did you say? What did you say?
you are the mother, so you have to pay all.
I need to pay all. I'm not rich.
But you're the mother.
Manner?
Yeah, of this, and I choose you, and I I choose Starbucks, you have to pay.
So you need to go do the queue now.
You have, I said,
What do you want? I always ended up finishing your food.
I don't eat it because I might eat waffles, so you will eat.
I don't want to eat. I just had shomai. Maybe later we go walk around one more time and then we come back.
Wait, I have an idea. We just have drinks.
I also had drinks.
I never have drinks.
What if we just buy them? It's cheaper. The place where we can sit.
I just want iced chocolate.
We buy the iced chocolate. Okay, let's go outside first.
Oh, wait.
I help you to open it.
Okay. Where is it? Is it for the top or the bottom? Mama. Oh,
Let's go.
where are you going?
I want to go to the MOA.
I don't want it.
We go check the jeepney. Let's go. We go MOA, the big mall one. Not here because I cannot find the clothes. Come on. Ah, that's for the audition. Let's go. I need to ask if how to go to MOA. Here, oh, we do this one. I'll buy this.
Look at them.
We need to cut our nail. It's so long already.
Anong na yung birthday ni Tito mo? Ilan pa pala siya?
Uy. Where are you? What are you doing here? We're gonna go and play. Hi guys. Bella, look at me. We're here at the
Horse riding.
Let's go. We just two of us, so what? I just stay here and you sit down there. Oh my God. Hello. Ako lang mahihilo sa'yo.
I'm in the horse riding. It's riding. Mom, look, it's moving.
Bella, come. Yes, there.